Hello friends, I am Shivani Mehta. Although cabbage and grapevine sarma is well known worldwide, we also use Arabica leaves in lot of recipes. Today's recipe is Turkey Dal Sarma, in which we have done little modifications as usual. So basically, we are going to make mushroom stuffing along with lots of veggies, and we will use Arbi leaves to roll that stuffing and we'll steam them for a while. Serving it with burani raita and finally giving a smoky flavor which will create a magic in a plate. So let's get started.
Drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.